Let's look at question number 26. So we have been defined a function. Okay, this function fn is basically the multiplication of all even numbers which are just less than that number n, and the bottom thing is just the multiplication of the of all the odd numbers which are less than the given number. Okay, so we have been asked f of n plus 2 into f of n plus 1. So I have a very simple solution for this. 26, take n equals to 2, then f of n plus 2 into f of n plus 1 is going to be f of 4 into f of 3. Okay, now f of 4, so 4 is odd, even, so it's going to be 1 into 3. Okay, so this is 1 into 3, and f of 3, so 3 is odd, so since 3 is odd, it's going to be just even numbers less than 3. So the only even number less than 3 is 2, so 2, so this becomes 3 factorial, which is basically n plus 1 factorial. Okay, none of the other options match, so you don't have to really solve it. But if you actually need to solve it, then it's not a very big deal. You just make cases. So this is the short method, and then there's a long method wherein you have to take cases. Okay, case 1 is n equals to even, and case 2 will be n equals to odd, and in both the situations you will finally reach the same conclusion that the final answer is going to be n plus 1 factorial. So it's going to be a little arduous process, but ultimately you reach the same conclusion that n is equals to odd. The f of n plus 1 into f of n plus 2 is n plus 1 factorial. So that's the only answer. So rather just stick with it. So if you get it in objective, always think that you can always put value get answer works a lot in objective. So if you get it in objective, make use of it. If you don't get it in objective, then you have to also think about what is going to be the subjective way to do it. You should be mentally prepared for it. But if you get an opportunity in an exam, don't be foolish and go for the long method. Okay, get the answer fast, move on to the next question. That's my suggestion.